Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the new character in Invision's webverse. First, you need to understand the specific unlock requirements for this exciting new addition. Many characters require completing certain in-game challenges or finding hidden items. We'll guide you through the easiest method to ensure you don't miss any crucial steps. Get ready to expand your roster with this powerful new ally, making your webverse adventures even more thrilling and rewarding. Once you know the requirements, navigate to the specific in-game mission designed for unlocking this character. These missions are usually clearly marked on your map or in your quest log. Pay close attention to any on-screen prompts or tutorial messages, as they often provide vital clues. You might need to defeat a certain number of enemies, perhaps 25, or collect specific items within a time limit. Stay focused and strategize your approach for success. After successfully completing the unlock mission, you'll typically receive a notification confirming your achievement. Head back to your main character selection screen or the character roster. You should see your brand new character proudly displayed and ready for action. Don't forget to check your inventory for any bonus items, like unique skins or power-ups that often come bundled with new character unlocks. Enjoy exploring the webverse with your enhanced team. Now that you have your new character, it's time to master their unique abilities and integrate them into your playstyle. Spend some time in practice modes or lower-level missions to get a feel for their strengths and weaknesses. Remember to upgrade their skills and equipment using any in-game currency or materials you've collected to maximize their potential. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.